Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. In this video, we'll discuss about first program, how we create the program in Python Pandas. And right now I am using online IDE, that is python.io. So don't worry about that. I will mention this URL in my description tab, so that if you want to do the practice or run your code online without installing any supportable software, you can use it. So let's begin with creating a small program and see how our output looks like, that how we'll create any specific program in Python Pandas. So for creating any particular program in Python Pandas, we need to import the library of Panda, that is import pandas, and we are giving as a small name, that is, we can see that keywords which we are using for Python Panda PD. Here we are going to create one array, and in this we'll declare some value and print that. So I am giving here as a array equal to PD dot series, and this we are going to declare some value, and value could be in float point. So floating point, I am giving first value is 1.6, second 3.4, then 4.2, then 3, then 5.6, then 7. So this is the value I have declared here. If I want to print this value, so I need to add print keyword, and inside this print keyword I need to provide the name. So now it's done. Let's run this. Now you can see whatever I have inserted or the provided the value, same is printed here. So you can see 1.6, 3.4, 4.2, 3, 5.6 and 7. At the end, if you can see, the type of the data is float 64. So this is indicating which type of data or input we have used. So whenever we are starting with Python Pandas and importing any libraries of that, we need to import pandas, and if you want to give the short name of pandas, you can use as a acronym of PD, and over the PD you can declare the value, and it is very useful when we are working with a big program and when we need to call the library again and again. So that will be easy for us. So let's run or create one more program which print the string value. So I'm giving the same name here, and series I want to give the same, but here I am giving some vegetables name, where vegetable name is brinjal. Second one, so whenever we are providing or declaring any value in string, that should be in double quote. So here cabbage. Then third value I am giving here as a onion. Fourth value is potato. Fifth is tomato. And I don't want this one, so I am deleting this. Now you can see our program is ready. Let's run this and see the result. Now you can see whatever value we have provided in string type is available here, and that string is called as object in terms of data type of pandas. So we'll discuss in further session about uh, Python data types. There are several other programs, and we'll do some other programs related to the functionality of pandas. So this is a basic example how we can use it, how to create a program in Python Pandas. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed the session, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.